In this section, you can view and manage all employees from one place. Use the search bar to quickly locate a specific employee by name, email, or keyword. Filter employees by their role to find team members with specialized expertise. Choose the status filter to display employees based on their current engagement. View all employee types or focus in by classification for tailored directory results. View every employee regardless of their package by selecting All in the Package filter. Easily manage regulatory compliance by filtering based on AML/BSA criteria. Organize your employee records by location using the State filter. Switch the Source filter to pull in employees from your preferred contact list. Click the email icon to instantly reach out to any employee with important updates. Close the email window to return to employee management without sending a message. Hit the message icon for instant communication with any team member. Dismiss the message window and get right back to managing employee records. Remove an employee from your system by clicking the delete icon. Select all employees for streamlined bulk management actions. Send a group email to selected employees with just one click. Easily close the group email window to keep your workflow efficient. Use the message icon above the table to reach multiple employees at once. Close the group chat window and seamlessly return to employee record management. That's it for the employee section. Here you can view employee information and communicate with them directly.